Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a community in GoHighLevel so we can bring our audience together in one place. Building a community allows us to engage with members, share content, and grow stronger connections with our clients or followers. Now, on the GoHighLevel dashboard, to create a community, we first need to go to the membership section, which is located in the lower left part of the dashboard. We can see it right there. Now click on Membership, and we will see the community option in the upper part of the menu. Click on that, and here is the Create a Community button. Go ahead and click Create a Community. Now for the community group, we can enter a name like Sample. Then for the URL, we can add the URL here along with a group description. In this section, we can also add favicons, cover images, and logos. Once we are done, we just need to click Create Group or Community. That is how we create a community in GoHighLevel in just a few simple steps. Now, we can build engagement and connect with our audience more effectively.